Hey yo, DJ the Diva here. Coming at you with another video. You guys, this video is about how to cure your cast iron skillets, okay? So, because I realize a lot of people don't know how to do it, but I'm country. But before we get into it, please smash that subscribe button with your whole heart. It don't cost you nothing but a little bit of kindness. Smash the subscribe button. Become a member of the Diva and Devo family. Give a thumbs up so the channel can grow, and drop a comment in the comment section if you like. Just to say, hey girl, hey. So, if you're already subscribed, welcome back, fam. We are the most loving, uplifting, encouraging, and supportive channel on YouTube. There is no drama over here, so if you got drama, save the drama for your mama, okay? So that was really whack, but okay, so I just scrubbed out my cast iron skillet, rinsed it. I'm going to take my dish towel and dry it in the inside. Now there's two options. If this is a brand new skillet for you, what you're going to do is you're going to pour oil in the inside. Rub it around with a paper towel, a generous amount of oil. Heat your oven to 350 and set it in there and let that bake for about 15 minutes, okay? You take it out, be careful because it's all one conducive piece. It's going to be hot. Use your oven mitts. Pull it out, set it on top of the stove, wait for it to cool. When it cools, dump that oil out. Run your paper towel around, okay? Then you want to wash it again. Just a little dishwasher liquid. Rinse it, dry it, and it's to this point, okay? So next, what you're going to do, let me bring you guys down here so you can see what it is that I'm doing. Okay, here's your skillet. You take you a little bit of oil. Boom. Just a little bit. You grab your paper towel. And you're just going to rub it. Sides. Make sure it gets every nook and cranny in there. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take another paper towel. And you're going to go in and wipe all that excess off. You just want your pan to be glistening. Okay? You want your pan to be glistening but not wet, okay? Like so. Can you guys see this? Just like that. Now what I do from here is I measure out a piece of paper towel and I put it inside like so, and I put it away with the rest of the pots. And it's ready to go. That protects it from any scratches from the other pots, and it helps keep it moisturized so it doesn't rust out or anything. And that is how you cure a cast iron skillet, okay? From my country behind to yours. But they are excellent, excellent cooking utensils, and like mine is passed down from my grandma, from her mother, okay? So well beyond the 1920s. And I want to keep them nice, and you see how long they last because we were taught how to cure them and how to take care of them. Yeah, you don't leave them in dishwater too long, no dishwasher, and you wash them out and immediately dry them with your dish towel. So that was a quick video on how to cure your cast iron pots and skillets. Okay, if they're new, you got to go through the washing of it still, curing it, wiping it out, wash it again, and rinse it, dry it with the dish towel, oil, wipe it, then wipe some more so you get it all and it's just glistening. Put that paper towel in it, or you can do a dishcloth or dish rag. And then you can put it in with your pots and pans. That keeps the pots and pans from scratching it, and it keeps the pot or pan moisturized, okay? So I just thought I'd share that little tidbit with you so you won't be throwing out no good cast iron skillets, okay? All right, I love you guys to life. If you have not yet subscribed, what you waiting on? Please smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget tomorrow's voting day. Don't forget to vote. You do matter. Your vote counts. Your vote may be the deciding factor on whether who sits in the Oval Office or not. You are important. It's your civic duty to vote, okay? It's your civic duty to get that booty into the voter to go vote. All right. I love you to life. See you in the next video. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is DJ the Diva, and I'm out. Bye.